Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular drawing hall over here. So we'll be continuing it. So very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like, let's texture this top part. So select the polygons over here. Control I, that is for inverse. Let's go into the material editor. So go into the material editor. So let's take a new V-Ray material over here. So let's just name it as a marble over here. So I'll just rename it as marble over here. Let's go into diffuse bitmap. So let's just take a texture for that. So you can just take a texture, go into reflectivity. Let's give a bit of reflection and go into the modifier list and give a UVW map, set it as a box, convert to editable poly. After that, select this table, again go into the material editor and let's give a wooden material. So name it as wood over here, bitmap, and let's take a wood texture. So let's just take a bit of a darker texture if required. So you can just take a wood texture over here. So let's try some other. I think this looks much better. Give a UVW map, take it as a box, convert to editable poly. So now I can just select the bottom part over here, go again into the V-Ray material. Let's give a bit of a metal texture over here, or metal. So let's just make it a bit darker, give a bit of reflectivity. So reduce its R glossiness and increase its Fresnel IOR and just assign it much better. So I have just assigned this over here in this way. So now let's go over here, select this part, again go into the material editor, take again a V-Ray material, go into the refract, name it as glass, and what I can do over here is like I can increase its IOR to make it a bit look. Oops. I'll name it as class 1 and slightly give a bit of reflection and you can assign it. So select this just click it out, select this, go again into the material editor, again take a V-Ray material, and let's just give a bit of a green, give again green or brown, whatever you want, you can just give that. For this we'll be just assigning some colors, that's it. So just select that, select this, go into the material editor, let's name it as miniatures. I can just pick a color, so I can just pick a color, so convert to editable poly, select the polygons, so I can select this much of the part and take again a V-Ray material, alright, assign it, inverse it, and give this color over here and isolate this. So the same way convert to editable poly, select this polygons, so I can subtract this part over here, go into the material, inverse it, just give this color and isolate this. So save your file again over here. So once you're done over here, we can move further, texturing this cup over here. So what I can do over here is, like, if you have a kind of a ceramic texture, you can assign a ceramic texture, or I'll just give a color to it. Let's give a bit of reflectivity to it. Cup, can just rename it. Now go over here. What I can do over here is, like, I can just convert this to editable poly. Slightly I'll just shuffle it. Behind. So select this part. Alright. So I'm just selecting this area right from the back side. Let's again go into the material, go into the material, take a V-Ray material, and I can just pick a color. I'll just take a bit of a light color for the wall. I'll name it slight reflection. If you require it, I can just give that. So looks much better over here. I can just texture this book over here. So for the book, I'll be just assigning few of the textures which we have already saved. If you look at it, I'll just assign any of the texture over here. UVW map, box, rotate it. What I can do over here is like you can slightly, but okay, we'll do it later on because we'll just cut this out, because although this is visible very far, because the thing is it is a bit tilted. So let's just rotate it. UVW map. Go over here, fit it. So I'll convert to editable poly and I'll just assign a white color and isolate this. So this is going to be in the long view. So this is will be very far. So that's totally fine over here. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. I'm going a bit slowly over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.